Hey guys, I'm Rebecca and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get this just everyday cruelty-free drugstore makeup look. This is just my go-to look if I'm just bobbing out or just nipping to the shops or anything. Everything that I have used is cruelty-free and you can buy it from the drugstore, so like Boots or Superdrug. So if you want to see how I achieved just this simple everyday look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so first of all, please excuse the state of my head. I dyed my hair the other day and ended up probably dyeing more on my forehead than I did my hair, but hopefully I can cover that up with my foundation. So I've already moisturised and primed off camera. All the products I use in this video I shall put down in the description box down below. So to start off with foundation, I'm going to be using the Gosh Foundation Plus, the Cover and Conceal in the shade 02. So you can get Gosh from Superdrug, I believe. The only thing is you have to really squish the bottle to get anything out of it. So I'm just going to blend that out. So this foundation is sort of medium to full coverage, I'd say. It doesn't say on it what coverage it's meant to be, but I think it's medium to full. It is quite a dewy finish, so it's good for me having dry skin because it doesn't leave my skin really dry or anything. I'm just going in with a little bit more because I do prefer full coverage. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 0 Extra Fair, and I'm just popping that under my eyes. And then to set all of that down, I'm going in with the Revolution Pro Loose Finishing Powder, and it's just translucent. So I'm just going to tap a bit out into the lid. Now that is all set in place. For my brows, on just a daily basis, I don't fill in my brows properly. I literally just run through them with a brow gel. So I'm going to be using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Black. It is the black shade, but it does come in a brown tube for some reason, but it's the darkest shade that they do in their brow stuff. So it's just a little wand, and I'm just running that through my brows just to get rid of all the foundation in them and just give them a bit of definition. And you can see that by quickly just running that through, it's just defined my brow a lot more than the one that I've not put anything on. And then if you're a bit clumsy like me, I've managed to get the gel there, so I'm just gonna blot that away with my sponge. And then for mascara, I'm going to go in with the Mascara Revolution by Revolution, the new mascara that they came out with not long ago, and it's just got like an hourglass shaped bristly wand. Sometimes if I've got a bit of extra time, then I will put on a little bit of eyeshadow or some eyeliner, but if I was in a rush, then I don't usually bother with that. My everyday makeup, I'm normally in a rush, so I just stick on a bit of mascara on my eyes. I don't bother with eyeshadow. And this is the before and the after with this mascara. You can see it's really nice. It is quite clumpy, which is what I like in a mascara. And now to finish off the rest of my face. So for contour, I'm going in with my trusty little sleek contour palette. And then I'm taking the CYO Bronzing Powder in the shade Fair. I love this because it smells like coconuts. And then I'm using the Revolution blush palette in the shade Hot Spice, and I'm just going to take this shade here. And for highlight, I'm taking the Soph Revolution highlighter palette, and I'm going to use just this second shade here. And then on my lips, I'm using the Soph Revolution lipstick in the shade Fudge. These lipsticks are a really nice sort of satin finish, which I do prefer wearing on like a day-to-day basis rather than matte ones, just because I get really dry lips, and obviously matte liquid lipsticks do dry my lips out quite a bit, so I prefer something satin just every day. And then just to set all that in place, I'm using the Revolution Supreme Hold Finishing Spray. So There we go. So this is my everyday cruelty-free drugstore makeup routine. This is just my go-to if I'm just bobbing out or going to the shops or anything. So thank you for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and click subscribe down below. Leave me some comments what you think on this look and just ideas for looks that you want me to do in the future. So again, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.